I may cuss without I'm cursed. Let's get that situated first. Aries, you're first, so let's get to it, right? With no further ado, what's going on with the Aries? Bam. One card, you ain't gonna hold you too long. There's been a reroute for you. There's been a pullback. You have to rewrite something. This largely has to do with Saturn being in retrograde in your sign right now. You have to deal with something that is spiritual. You have to deal with something that deals with your body. It could be health. It could be just building yourself as an individual, stronger apart from your family. Within the family, but stronger apart from your family is what I'm saying. You understand what I'm saying? It's like it's time to grow your own talons and fly, B. Like, I'm just keeping it a being with you. You may even go back home to visit, and that's where you get the realization of this. Like, you might even find out that you went back to visit for the wrong reasons. So next time.